Hi, I'm Dr. Sonalina. During a global pandemic, I help schools take reading scores from below proficient all the way to exceeding the state average, using evidence-based strategies that teachers love and any teacher can start tomorrow. Today I'm going to show you exactly how one of these strategies, Anticipation Reaction Guides, gives teachers hours back each week, dramatically increases student achievement, and keeps great teachers in the classroom longer. This is one of the highest leverage tools used within my Achievement Accelerator framework, and my new Jack Learning Strategies Assistant makes it even easier to implement this evidence-based strategy. If you're a teacher, principal, or district leader who wants measurable gains without more work, stay with me. You're about to see how this strategy can skyrocket reading skills and uses the science of reading. Anticipation Reaction Guides, AR Guides for short, is an advanced graphic organizer that students use before, during, and after reading any complex text. Teachers create just 3 to 5 opinion statements about the big ideas in the text. Students first agree or disagree and explain their own perspective on why they agree or disagree with the big idea. While they read, they hunt for textual evidence and record the page number, also known as citing evidence. Then after reading, they revisit their opinion, decide if it changed, and write an evidence-based reflection. It's not a simple anticipation guide. It's a complete comprehension cycle aligned to every state standard that asks students to cite evidence and determine central ideas, including Common Core state standards for reading informational text. Now, let's take a look at the why behind Anticipation Reaction Guides, the brain science behind it, as well as the science of reading that is used when teachers use Anticipation Reaction Guides. Here's why this strategy is so powerful and why it works even for students with attention issues, IEPs, language learners, and special needs. Before reading, when students activate their prior knowledge and make predictions, they light up their temporal lobes and hippocampus, the brain's memory and schema centers. New information now has a place to connect instead of overwhelming their working memories. Now, during and after reading, the agree-disagree decisions and evidence evaluation heavily recruit the prefrontal cortex. That would be the frontal lobe responsible for executive function, reasoning, metacognition, and self-monitoring. That's exactly where many of our struggling learners need the most support. And since we have previously activated their temporal lobes and hippocampus, those two areas of the brain now can support the prefrontal cortex, which usually needs more support from the other parts of the brain for many of our struggling students. The perspective shift moment creates a dopamine reward, resolving the prediction error, so students stay engaged longer. For students with ADHD or attention challenges, the clear external structure of the AR guide reduces cognitive load, while the visual organizer and built-in scaffolds, such as sentence stems, partner talk, response cards, all support working memory and processing speed. Research from Duffelmeyer, Cozen, and the IRIS Center shows AR guides significantly improve comprehension and motivation for at-risk and diverse learners. This is a brain-based differentiation strategy at its best, and it gives teachers time back because the tool does the heavy lifting. I built Jack, a patent-pending learning strategies assistant, your new favorite assistant AI teacher bestie who actually gets it. Here's what Jack does while you finally get to have a life. Acts like the world's most obsessive pedagogical filter, so every lesson hits fidelity. No more, I think this might be evidence-based, or I think I'm applying the strategy or model correctly. Here I am at my Learning Apps Hub. Inside Jack, I'm going to go to Anticipation Reaction Guides. Now from here, I can see all of the AR guides that I previously created within Jack. They're all here for my quick reference. I'm going to go to New AR Guide. This is where I have an opportunity to upload a text if I just want to copy and paste text from a source I found online. I can upload a file from my computer or my drive, such as a PDF or Microsoft Word document that I want the students to read. Also an article URL for the particular article, and also the URL for a particular YouTube video if I want students to watch an informative video and answer anticipation reaction guides based on that. Normally for AR guides, you would be using text, but on occasion there might be a case where you want to throw in a video. As teachers, we don't teach using videos all the time, but on occasion it does happen, so it can be used with a YouTube video as well.
Imagine differentiating for your students in 1.5 seconds.
You within a second and a half, I would say, went ahead and it created those statements for me, so I don't have to take 15 minutes per statement to try to come up with one that they're going to understand. And as you can see, the print is written in more simple language. And I can go ahead and go back and change the Lexile again if I feel like I need to make it even more simple for my students. And so from there, I'm going to go ahead and hit save and populate AR guides. See that? Jack automatically differentiates while keeping the rigor high. It's like having a brilliant assistant who never calls in sick, never complains about the copier, and doesn't eat your snacks. So what does this actually mean? Teachers, you get your evenings and weekends back. No more 10 p.m. lesson rewrites while your family thinks you've joined a cult. School leaders, you get consistent evidence-based instruction across classrooms and see your teachers energized and happy. Students actually learn more and accelerate their learning instead of just keeping up during the school year. Right now, Jack is only $15.99 a month, cheaper than the fancy smoothie or iced coffee you use to survive faculty meetings. We're already getting messages from teachers saying, I have time to eat lunch again, and my spouse thinks I've been replaced by a happier clone. We all know that you haven't been replaced by an actual clone. You're just able to be you again. And because I'm not here to waste your time with glitches, I'm giving you a full 14-day free trial. No risk, just pure relief. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to jacklsa.lovable.app and start your free 14-day trial of Jack. School or district leaders, reply to this video or DM me. I'll hop on a call and show you how the Achievement Accelerator framework works and how Jack supports teachers so you can save your entire staff. And yes, even instructional aides can use Jack as well. Teachers, leaders, and homeschool parents, this one's for you. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Tomorrow's a new day, and you will always be loved, even when your lesson plans don't love you. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully inside Jack very soon. Like, subscribe, and drop the word Jack in the comments if you want the free Achievement Accelerator Framework cheat sheet. Let's flood the comments with teachers who are ready to work smarter, not harder, and use the science of reading.